Alright everybody, here we are, another site. Kind of stealthing. There's a nice little river right down here. Look at them bowls on that tree, but we're going to find out whether or not there's a home here or not. Got my first target at 90 something. Well, first deep target. I had one something or another that was a piece of wire. We're going to try to find this. I don't want to give away nothing too much right now. I'm going to set that there. I hope we can see it. I know it's right in there. If it pops out, at least it'll give me an option. Because everything I do is pretty well live proof. I don't plant nothing. I just don't do it. It's in there. It looks round too. Unless it's a shot. It's a coin in there, I think. Coin or button. See it? What do you think that's going to be? Is that silver? That looks like it's gray. This is exciting. It's silver. Look at the edge. I believe it's going to be a quarter on it. Nichols didn't have it. You ready for it? I'll give you one side and I'm going to do a short. Oh my. It's an old quarter too. Hot diggity dog. American Eagle. Yeah, I'm trying to look at it and show it to you at the same time. That's pretty rough. I'm not going to pop this other side. I'm going to do that on a short. Then I'll add the rest of the video in here. That's my best find in a while as far as silvers go. I ain't had much silver. Bobby the Grim Bleeper got the last silver. Alright, let me do this short. We'll show her up. She's ready for this unveiling. I did my little short and I uncovered it. Look how beautiful that side is. Not a scratch. You ready for it? It's my first seeded quarter. 1840. And in here, you can't tell it, but this is nervous and shaky on the inside. Very happy with that coin. Man, that was a deep coin. All that dirt from that hole. I don't know. Our dirt must be different because these coins I dig a lot of times are over 12 inches. That one's at least 13. Almost sound like an iron. A little bit of iron in there, mixed target or something, but didn't hit that like it was on the surface by no means. But we got her. Alright, let's get on with this video. This may be coin number 2. It was in the side here. I had to take the extra little scoop out. I thought it was over there, but I seen a flash when something come out. I don't know if that was it or not. I think it's in here. There it is. Are you kidding me? I'm looking at it first. This one's old. Tickled man. I don't know what it is, but she's slick as glass right now and super thin. This will all be a real. This could very well be a real. It's the right size. Can you believe this? My second coin on this daggone place. There's no doubt in my mind that's what it is. I mean, she's slick as glass. There's a little something there. A little bit of shape, but that's about it for now. You know, these black flies are like my ankles up. Can you believe this, guys? This is a day. Yeah, that's not the size of anything else. It's definitely real. In my mind, there's no question. Just which one? Is that there? I don't think they could have wore a coin that thin. Did you see it? That little indentation there. I have to look at that when I get home under a microscope. Thank you, my beautiful wife, for getting me that while it was on sale on Prime. Man, this is awesome. Coin or 2. I just came down this here way. You see I dug a little bit of can slaw. Went down here, stopped before I got to this here walnut, and came back in about the same path as where that quarter was. And there lies more silver. God, man, what a day. Better stick around for this one. This slide will get berserk. Hopefully I got a stash. Hang on, see. 40 something, that's straight trash right there. See if we can get a good one. Oop. The old surf and turf program again, which is pretty much what I use everywhere. Cause it's, to me, it's just way deeper than even deep HC. And beach is right there. Beach sensitive, pretty deep. They're just not giving great tones in this kind of ground. The hole I just pointed just popped out something round. I'm hoping it's something weird. No, that might be. No, well, I thought I had my third coin in a row. That would have topped the chart right there. Not sure what this is. This is something unusual. A lot of bouncing off these things. Got the sensitivity down to 91. I was only 90. I think that's more than I need. Sensitivity doesn't seem to bother the depth too much in surf or diving programs at all. Maybe a ½ inch. Like I said, it's just pennies. Don't let nothing there. If there's a target there, it's going to hit it, I think. Another hole. Look, guys, and look. Can you see it? Shiny. Yeah. Guess what? Had my heart thumping too until I flipped the damn thing over. Look at that. So I've been all the way back to the trees there and come back, and I just smashed a 90 something. I don't even know what's going on here. Pinpoint. That's not even knowing. Oh. Yeah. Okay, check these numbers out. Doesn't seem to be a can. 95 is an unusual number, so I'm going to go ahead and dig this real quick. Hang on. Alright, just look at this. How tiny it is. That's a tiny target. Alright, it popped out first plug, so it's not very deep. Could be junk. Starting to lose hope in this one. There it is. Right here. Oh my god, it's a big one. This is coin central right here. See it? There's the piece of king with it. Got a big old Liberty. It's a large though. It's crazy that hit a 90 something. I'm gonna leave this one. I ain't even gonna touch it. Sorry about that, folks. But no. I want to see what's on there. I see it's on. I see the reef there, so it's not something super. Stop rubbing it. Alright, it's going in my pocket. Gone. That's all 3 coins here within a 25 yards maybe. Alright, let's get to digging. It's pretty sure this is going to be trash. I don't know. It looks thin. No, it's not trash. You're kidding me. More silver. That's number 3 today. Is this a real or a half penny, half dime? Man, I think it's another real. Man, I've only had one. Now I've had 2 or 3 actually. Multiple real days. Got a little piece of it right there. Dang it. So it could be a seeded dime. I've seen them more down thin, but some here tell you no. That's Mexican Spanish right there. They're on the edge. That's a half real. Jesus! Best day ever. Pretty sure. I'll check that out when I get home. Man, yeah. I mean, it's thin. Is that nuts or what? Alright. That was almost a tin can. I was going to sweep on over that one. Was hitting 86 near the surface. Like I say, it's only like 7 or 8 inches deep. Whew! I got to put this one together tonight, I guess. I'm working my way toward the back here. The road used to be right over here. It's not there anymore, as you can tell. It was moved. Not the LiDAR shows a a foundation here and a couple sheds. I don't really have much on the maps. I ain't really looked a whole lot, but LiDAR picked this one up as pretty deep in the ground, so which seems to be right in here. I think it's maybe a barn or something. And then there was something else out here. I think probably the house. It wasn't very big. The barn was twice the size of the house. But enough of that. See if we can find something else. Hit 83. Something weird looking. So I figured we'd record it. Could be a key or something. I don't know. Looks old. Find some old bricks here. But let's check that out. Oh man, it's thick at the bottom, thin at the top. What is that? I just find more coolness. Look at that thing. It's fat down here, thin up here. I mean, warm thin. Look how crude that is, Jack. We're into some old goodies right there. Yes, sir. That just ain't even close to being accurate. We'll say we're in the right neighborhood for some old stuff. But there's some holes in there. We'll clean this up too. I think we got enough interesting stuff this time to do a little display at the end. I'm loving this, man. Alright, let's get back at it. Alright guys. 89.91. You don't get to hit this bad boy. Hang on, we're gonna dig her up. Alright, less than 9 inches. Now it's over here, I think. In the first scoop. Dang, I hit it with the detector. I mean, it's anywhere in there. I know it's here. Oh, there it is. It's in this. Is that it? Got us a round one. It's another coin, I think. It is. We'll have our first penny. Indian, it's a penny. Penny. Isn't that funny? How does that even fit in with today? Been banging out. So Carpow. Yeah. That must mean it's time to go home. Well, I'll give her a few more shots here. I ain't going very far. Just scatter around. As you can see, the little corn stalks, man. They're sticking up there just enough to spray out. You know, this corn's I can come back volunteer. So let's see. We'll go see what we got. And we're back in. We got another target. This is you hear how loud that is. Don't seem to be super deep, but it's not marking up on here. So let's dig it up. So we'll see. They sits over here, so oh, fly. It's in this. They got me that time. Oh, it's a piece of artifact. What is that? Little truck. Just a piece of artifact, I think. So we're gonna get out of this. Nothing super cool. It's broke. I'm taking it. I can investigate just to see. If I come up with another piece of whatever that is, broken brass. All right, let's fill this hole up and dig a few more. We're about done with this little video. I don't like making them all long. Too long ones are good. But yeah, this will be about it for here. We're going to wait for a good day. We can line up a couple guys. Just beginning. See if they can hit some bucket listers. Knock them off the list. And we'll probably get a video of that. We will return. And we got many places else to go. So yeah. We'll be back. But just remember, and check these little key spots. Those things usually sound good too. Those little sprayer nozzles. Usually got some brass in there or stainless steel. Could be some arrowheads found here too, I think. But let's get out of here. We've been seeing quite a bit. Hey guys, just thanks for coming. Thanks to all my Philippine friends. Man, what a big support group. If anybody's got a trouble, that has trouble getting the videos seen, man, look these gals up. You'll find them in every comment and every video just got. They're for real. Good friends too. But YouTube's not going to do it for you. That's for sure, unless you're Mr. Beast. Somebody big. You gotta get your name out there. Video scene. YouTube will grab you. Don't worry. Good luck. Till the next time.